If your duck under keeps getting stuffed, there's a reason. It's not just about the move. There are actually 3 skills you need to master if you want to hit it consistently. I'm going to break down each one so you can hit it clean every single time. Let's go. We'll start with timing because without it, nothing else matters. Most people know you need your opponent pressuring in order to hit a duck, but that's only part of the truth. We don't just want them moving into us, we want a moment where they can't react to what we're doing. That moment happens just as they're committing their weight onto a stepping foot. It's a tiny window, a split second, but it's the difference between getting stuck in front of them and getting behind them clean. If you time the duck under here, they can't square up fast enough to stop you. That's the moment we're looking for. Hey, if you're getting value from this, do me a massive favor. Take 2 seconds, drop below the video and hit that thumbs up and subscribe. It's hands down the best way to support the channel and it'll make sure you don't miss my next video. All right, let's get back to it.
All right, so we know when to hit it, but we run into another problem. We got to clear that arm. If you don't clear that elbow, you're not getting under anything. There's a hierarchy of 5 tie-ups that we use, and they're ranked in order from how well they let us control and clear that elbow. So if I take an inside tie on my partner and I raise his elbow to create that window we'd go under in the duck under, I'm going to ask him to pull that elbow back to his side hard. You can see from the inside tie, I have little ability to keep his elbow away from his body. Go again, hard. But the second I take an outside tie and control underneath the elbow, go ahead. It's much more difficult.
So here's the full hierarchy from best to worst. Number 1 is the outside tie. This gives us direct control under the elbow, clears the arm easily, and makes it hard for the opponent to recover. This is the gold standard. Number 2 is the collar tie elbow flare. When your opponent overties your collar tie, you can flare your elbow underneath to clear their elbow. It's very situational though because it requires your opponent to take an overtie, but it completely blocks their elbow from retracting. It's a solid second option. Number 3 is the underhook. For obvious reasons, it's great for keeping the elbow wide, but the downside is it can be hard to create that first motion to get under the arm if the opponent clamps down on the overhook. Number 4 is wrist control. We can grab the wrist to control the end of the lever of the arm. It works, but we don't get direct control over the elbow. And last is the inside tie. It can work, but it's the weakest. Even if you clear the arm, the opponent can pull it back in easily and shut you down. Every tie-up can work, but they don't all work the same. This is why your setups matter. Regardless of which tie-up we choose, the motion is the exact same. We clear the arm as we duck our head, drop to our knees, and pull the opponent over us. So, you've got the timing, you've cleared the arm, now, how do we finish? We've got 2 goals here. 1, we bring our head up and in to block the arm from being able to retract. And 2, we turn to face the same direction as our opponent. If they're still standing, the finish is straightforward. You pivot around, lock around the waist, step out to a side, hip in, and mat return. Basic, effective. If we're lower to the mat, the turn gets trickier, but here's how to do it. We step our outside leg up, we pull with our hamstring like we're dragging ourselves across the floor and pivot 180 degrees in one motion. Clean turn, clean finish. Mastering the duck under isn't about drilling one move. It's about owning these 3 pieces: the timing, the tie-up, and the finish. Most people rush the entry and hope for the best, but you know better now. You've got everything you need to hit it perfectly, so study it, drill it, and start hitting it for real. Get to work. All right, that's it for this one. If it helped, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss the next video. Got a question or something you want me to cover? Drop me a line below. I read every comment. I love hearing from you guys. But for now, good luck training, and I'll see you in the next one.